Hello friends. Welcome to my channel study platform. Today we will learn the static general knowledge on first in India male, so let's get start. So here is the first question: who is the first governor of Bengal? And the answer is Lord Clive. He worked 3 years as a governor of Bengal from 1757 to 1760. And the second question: who is the last governor of Bengal? And the answer is Warren Hastings. He served as governor from 1772 to 1774. The third question: who is the first Governor General of Bengal? Answer is Warren Hastings. So here one point to remember, that the last governor and first Governor General of Bengal is one and only Warren Hastings. So next, who is the first Governor General of India? And the answer is Lord William Bentinck. He worked from 1833 to 1835. And the next question is that who is the first president of Indian National Congress? And answer is Dubsi Banerjee, and its full form is Umesh Chandra Banerjee in Bengal language. In English it is called as Umesh Chandra Banerjee. He is an Indian barrister by profession. So as we know first president of Indian National Congress, let's take some time to know about Indian National Congress. So the Indian National Congress formed in 28th of December 1885 at Mumbai in order to form a platform for civil and political dialogue among educated Indians. So the sixth question is: who is the Indian Governor General of Independent India? And the answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. He worked as Governor General of India from 21st of June 1948 to 25th of January 1950. So again one point to remember, that is first Governor General of Independent India is Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, but before independent the first Governor General of India is Lord William Bentinck. Next is: who is the first Indian to pass ICS, that is Indian Civil Service? The answer is Surendranath Banerjee. Next question is: who is the first Indian ICS officer? Answer is Satyendranath Tagore. So here one point to remember, that is Surendranath Banerjee is first Indian to pass the ICS, but Satyendranath Tagore is the first Indian ICS officer. So the 9-number question is: who is the first Indian astronaut and cosmonaut? So the answer is Squadron Leader Rakesh Sharma. He belongs to Patiala. And also he is awarded by Ashok Chakra Award. So now let us differentiate cosmonaut and astronaut. First, cosmonaut refers to a person that is trained and certified by the Russian Space Agency to work in space. And second, astronaut is person trained and certified by JAXA, ESA, NASA, or CSA to work in space. Functionally both have same kind of works. Now coming to question number 10: who is the first Indian judge of the International Court of Justice? And the answer is Dr. Nagendra Singh. So the next question is: who is the first Indian to get Bharat Ratna Award? So the answer is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. His date of birthday is 5th of September 1888. He belongs Tiruttani, Tamil Nadu. As a honor, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in every school and colleges. Now the 12-number question is: who is the first Muslim President of Republic India? Answer is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Coming to the question number 13: who is the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? G.V. Mavalankar, that is Ganesh Basudev Mavalankar, is the first Indian Speaker of Lok Sabha. He worked from 1952 to 1957. And next, who is the first Education Minister of Independent India? So the answer is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, and he is awarded by Bharat Ratna. And today's last question: who is the first President of Republic India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad is our first President of Independent India. He serves 12 years for India, that is from 1950 to 1962. He joined the Indian National Congress during the Indian independence movement and became a major leader from the region of Bihar. He is awarded by Bharat Ratna in 1962. So for you I have a question, please post the answer in comment box. So the question is: who is first Indian pilot? and the PDF link of this lecture is in description. Please